exploring how the travel industry could benefit from blockchain technology in today's blog. Blockchain technology has been revolutionizing industries across the globe, offering unprecedented levels of security, transparency, and efficiency. The travel industry is no exception, as it stands to benefit immensely from the integration of blockchain technology. In today's blog, we'll delve into how blockchain can enhance the travel experience, streamline processes, and provide innovative solutions to age-old challenges. Secure and streamlined identity verification. One of the most significant pain points for travelers is the time-consuming and often invasive process of identity verification. Blockchain technology offers a solution through secure digital identities. By storing and managing personal data on a decentralized and encrypted platform, identity verification becomes more efficient and less prone to fraud. Blockchain-based identity systems can potentially reduce wait times at airports and other checkpoints, resulting in a smoother travel experience. Moreover, enhanced security measures could lower the risk of identity theft and related crimes. Transparent and efficient payment processes. Blockchain can revolutionize the way payments are processed within the travel industry. By enabling faster, more secure transactions with lower fees, travelers can enjoy a more seamless experience. Additionally, blockchain technology can help integrate various loyalty programs and reward points, making it easier for travelers to redeem and manage their benefits across different platforms. Improved baggage tracking. Lost or misplaced luggage has long been a major concern for travelers. Blockchain technology can be used to improve baggage tracking by creating a decentralized and transparent record of luggage movement. This system allows for real-time updates on luggage location, reducing the chances of lost luggage and providing peace of mind for travelers. Enhanced booking and reservation systems. Blockchain can streamline booking and reservation systems, ensuring that overbooking and disputes are minimized. Smart contracts can automate essential aspects of the booking process, such as payment and confirmation, reducing human error and increasing efficiency. This transparency can also help build trust between service providers and consumers, resulting in a more enjoyable travel experience. Facilitating the sharing economy. The sharing economy has already transformed the travel industry, and blockchain can take it even further. By enabling trustless and decentralized sharing economy platforms for accommodations and transportation, blockchain technology can offer lower costs and increased convenience for both service providers and consumers. Conclusion. Blockchain technology has the potential to reshape the travel industry, providing innovative solutions to long-standing challenges. From secure identity verification to transparent payment processes, baggage tracking, and more efficient booking systems, blockchain is poised to revolutionize the way we travel. As technology continues to mature and its adoption increases, we can expect an even more seamless and enjoyable travel experience for all. So, the next time you embark on a journey, keep an eye out for the ways blockchain is transforming the travel landscape, making your adventures more secure, efficient, and enjoyable. I'm not an expert on blockchain. I'm simply documenting my journey on the evolution of money in Web 3.0. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. We upload content frequently. Thanks for your support.